Hello, pen testers. This is Punit Darji back again with another AI security video. In this video, we are going to talk about denial of service attack in LLM. So before this video, I have created training data poisoning video. If you have not watched that, I would recommend to watch that video because I am maintaining entire AI security playlist. So let's move to the denial of service attack video. So denial of service in context of large language model is an attack that aims to make the model slow, unresponsive, or overly expensive to operate. Unlike traditional DOS attack that floods a network with traffic, an LLM DOS attack exploit the model's core function, that is processing language. The primary vulnerability is that the computational cost of LLM's response in that is directly tied to the length of complexity of the prompt. A simple attack involves sending an extremely large or repetitive prompt. For example, asking the LLM to summarize 100-page document or repeating the phrase pawn system or hello world a million times, or we can say put the large number that LLMs can't handle or backend can't handle. So this forces the model to allocate significant memory and processing power to for the single request and slow down the service for all other users. So this is how the DOS attack work in the LLM. So let's move to the practical part so you will get the better understanding. So we are in our practical section. So I have created the practical CTF challenge called the smart thermostat that controls the climate in the building. So let me run the program first. So Python main.py, and here you can see welcome to the climate control CTF challenge, and your goal is to perform the denial of service attack on the system. And once you perform the successful denial of service, you will get the flag. So let's say you are entering something, let's say 50, and here you can see the temperature successfully set the 50 Fahrenheit. Let's say you are entering something big number, and here you can see it's set successfully. Now let me show you the climate controller.py. So now I am showing the climate control.py file. So our simulated climate system, it has one function, the set temperature. Here you can see the set temperature function. Now here the crucial part, the most computer system, especially the older computer system, use called a fixed size integer. That means there is limit to how a big number they can store. Think of like car odometer that can only count up to 9,999, like 5 times 9, 99999. 99999 miles. When you try to add one more mile, it overflows and roll back to the zero. In the computer system or in computer's case, it caused the entire system to crash. And here the attack. So here you can see if the temperature goes up greater than this number, it will critical number error detected and system overflow, and you will get the flag. So if here if I try like 99994 times nines, it will set. If I try like this and hit the enter, and here we go. So the crucial number error detected, as you can see. So when you give the number to the program, it won't just reject it. It triggers the DOS vulnerability because we are giving the very big number, and causing the simulated the crash and the revealing the flag. So the conclusion is denial of service attack is not just about the traffic, it's about exploiting the system weak point. In this case, the vulnerability was how the system handle a number. It simply wasn't designed to process like a big number. We haven't designed to process, but this is the real world problem. This in the many systems, from legacy hardware to the modern applications, and it's great example to why we need to careful about what data we accept. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And what other cybersecurity concept or AI security concept you want, I will bring to in the video. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.